Hi friends, this is a quick review of the Amazon Basics electric screwdriver. Designed by Skill, this is a 4-volt rechargeable screwdriver. It's rechargeable by USB-C. It's basically just an all or nothing trigger, but you have 3 speeds that you can adjust. But I believe that speed only affects the driving, not the backing out. So the head of it has 2 lights. They're decently bright. They're not the biggest or brightest you've ever seen. And the bits are held in by a fairly strong magnet that does not just come out without you wanting it out. So, all in all, I think this is a good option. It's pretty slim. Let me give you dimensions here, real quick. So, overall length is under 7.5 inches with the bit in there. Without the bit, it's under 7. Width, it is less than 1.5 inches. Almost down to 1.25 inches. It's pretty close to that. So, yeah, very compact, very capable. Big fan.